The recommended daily intake of phosphorus is 700 milligrams. "100 grams of bananas contains 42 milligrams. One Brazil nut contains 109 milligrams. One sweet potato contains 130 milligrams. One ounce of cashews contains 140 milligrams. One cup of lentils contains 356 milligrams. "100 grams of amaranth seed contains 557 milligrams. One tablespoon of sesame seeds contains 57 milligrams. One cup of spinach contains 100 milligrams. "100 grams of chia seeds contains 860 milligrams. One cup of mung beans contains 112 milligrams.